4 ways that humans are harming the environment. 1. Humans cause deforestation by cutting down trees for farming, cities, and industries, leading to habitat loss and soil erosion. 2. Pollution is caused by humans through activities like factories emitting smoke, vehicle emissions, and improper waste disposal, which harm the air, water, and soil. 3. Climate change is driven by human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas, which release greenhouse gases that trap heat in the atmosphere, resulting in rising temperatures and extreme weather events. 4. Overpopulation and overconsumption stem from human choices and behaviors with high birth rates, increased life expectancy, and unsustainable consumption patterns contributing to strain on natural resources and the environment. By understanding our impact, we can take collective action to address these issues and protect the environment for future generations.